During the 2015-2016 school year, I worked on an innovative research project utilizing a set of laptops provided by the county. I implemented the project with a special education teacher in 4 sections of English 10, each section consisting of around 28 students of mixed ability. Throughout the year, we worked with students on blogs and websites where they drafted, revised, and published pieces of writing that connected to the literature we explored together. Our goals were to get students to build empathy for others by connecting their own life's literature, and to work on their writing skills such as reflecting, considering audience, and tone. We moved from having students work on personal goals first quarter while reflecting character growth, to focusing second quarter on their communities and issues they saw that needed fixing, while reading about the community of Maycomb in To Kill a Mockingbird. In third quarter, we broadened perspective more, looking at a national issue, while examining bias in the justice system through 12 Angry Men. Our final exam was a accumulation of all the skills they learned throughout the year as part of this project. These skills included goal setting, research and citation, editing and revision, cooperative learning, and writing to a specific audience and purpose. Their final task was to work in small assigned groups as a nonprofit organization. Each student was assigned a specific role within the organization, and together they had to select a global issue and design a website to bring awareness to this issue. Throughout the year, we had modeled for the students and practiced with them all of the skills we were asking of them in the final. For this project, we acted mainly as guides. We gave them detailed instructions with hyperlinks to examples for everything they needed to complete, but did not provide more direct instruction as we wanted them to demonstrate what they had learned to us throughout the year. Students worked daily for 2 weeks in class. At the beginning of each class, we'd remind them what their goals were for the day to make sure they were on target to meet their deadlines. They otherwise worked together to find information they needed and complete the assignment. Only when they got stuck as a group did we step in to intervene. Throughout the process, students used Google Docs and drawings to share ideas and research, and used Noodle tools to create proper citations, all of these serving as an augmentation of what would be possible without technology. For the finished product, however, students created Google Sites. The website was where, for better or for worse, students focused most of their time. It lent authenticity and audience to their work, which in turn provided motivation. They were able to add videos and links to outside sources, moving to a redefinition phase in the SAMR model. In the end, we assessed students on their individual research and writing, as well as their groups on the overall presentation of their findings through their websites. We found that the technology of the website was a huge motivating factor for our students, to the detriment of some of their preparatory work. While groups did an outstanding job on organizing their sites and making them visually appealing, some were lacking in content and depth. In the future, we plan to emphasize the preparatory work and perhaps try to find ways to use technology to make the early steps as engaging as the finished product.